You're thinking about buying a car. Let me give you a new idea. Don't. There's so many shared ride services today, even when you have to leave the city. You can rent one. Cars cost a fortune in maintenance and insurance and just the amortization, which means as they go down in value, you're losing money. Let's say I paid $25,000 for it. 2 years later, it might be worth only 12. I hate cars. When my lease came up just a year ago on a Mercedes diesel, a beautiful SUV that was 2 years old and I'd hardly ever driven because I used so many shared ride services, the dealer called me up and said, Kevin, your lease is coming up. I've got a brand new car you're going to love. I said, I'm going to pass. I'm going to drive this puppy back to you and wave goodbye to it. And now I don't own it anymore. I use my phone to call Uber or Lyft, and they take me around the city. I save a fortune. I feel good about it. I hate cars. Even if you use a car every day to get to work, it's still cheaper to use a shared ride service because you can choose the level of luxury you want. You can share the ride with somebody else. I know people that go miles for only $8. They're taking advantage of a system that's actually democratizing the cost of transportation. Why aren't you? The whole idea is pay off your debts by not buying stuff you don't need. You don't need a car. You're working in a city where you can either take the subway or basically use a shared service. Try both. But don't get stuck parking $25,000 into a car. I don't need it. Why should you?